Well, hey guys, and welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, today I'm going to do a quick video on replacing the screen in my old screen door. Now, I've replaced this a couple of times in the 20 years since I've lived here, and I thought maybe it'd be a good idea to show you how it's done in case you've never done one before. My door is a wooden screen door, and it just uses these filler gap bands that go around the screen. And as you can see, my screen door's gotten all ripped up and got holes in it, letting the insects in. That happened mostly because of my dogs pushing on the screen, by the way. And I got this kit. This is from Make to Fit off of Amazon. It does come with the tool. That's what I looked for. Comes with the screen, which is big enough to actually give you some room to work with here. And it comes with instructions. So we'll go ahead and open this up just so you can see what it comes with. You're going to get a large screen. Now this, you want to make sure that this will fit the size door that you have. It will have some extra on the side that you'll have to cut off. That's important because you don't want to have to stretch it too tight and try to cut off the edges. Now, some screen doors like mine will just have a gap right here that this filler band goes in, and you just need to take that off and remove that. And some doors, then you just pull your screen out. Now I've got mine around that clamp right there, so I'm going to unhook that real fast. Alright, there the old screen is removed, and the old gasket, or whatever you want to call it, that's removed. Now if your screen door, some of the newer models, the nicer ones, they may actually have a metal strip that goes around on top of this to hide that band, so you may need to take a few screws loose from your door. This is the tool that you're going to use to go down this groove right here to put that gasket in. You're going to take your screen out, which I'll show you here. And you can see that this tool works really nice. Once you get it started, get in the groove, then you can just roll it right along there, holding onto that gasket, and that will go in there nice and smooth and easy. And it gets it really tight. Then you want to go all the way up, and I'll have a little bit left over there where I cut it. I'll have a little bit of end on there that I'll just trim loose when I trim the screen. And you can see on my screen door I put a board up here to keep the dogs from pushing against this. So I don't have a groove here that I'll be using. I will stick that back underneath this board here. But other than that, that's the only difference. And then I'm just going to cut off. I'm going to cut off the excess. I'm going to leave me a little bit down here to work with. And for my door, that's just actually going to leave me enough piece that I can do this door probably twice if I need to. So I'm going to save this and generally I like to replace the screens about every 5 years. So I'll have me another piece of screen here for my screen door. Save that. And if you do have a wood screen door like this, mine didn't have a kick panel on it like this. Most of the newer screen doors have a kick panel for dogs and stuff. Mine didn't have one, so I just made one, and this is just that pegboard. You can get real cheap at any home supply store, a piece of pegboard, and just cut it around. That works really well. And then my screen just goes inside that, like so. Screw that back in. And there it is, good for another year. That'll keep all the bugs out. And I got an extra piece long enough that if I need to, in 5 years, I can replace it again. Good kit, again, that's made by Make to Fit on Amazon. Go look at one of those, take a look at your screens and see if they need to be replaced. Keep the mosquitoes out. All right, folks, have a great day.